A huge sinkhole in Florida has swallowed 215 million gallons of radioactive water. It is now in the process of getting filled. It has been roughly 6 months since the sinkhole opened up at Mosaic's New Wales plant in Mulberry, Florida. The plant takes phosphate rock and converts it into fertilizer. Workers and contractors have been trying to figure out the best way to stabilise and fill in the hole. Residents say they are praying the radioactive water that got sucked into the hole doesn't reach them.
I don't drink the water. I don't cook with the water. I use bottled water altogether. I do shower in the water, and I probably will start to glow one day.
So far, Mosaic say tests show that contaminated water has not left the company's property. The state ordered Mosaic to keep testing the wells every quarter of this year and twice in 2018.
Engine ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,